In this video, I will show you how to change the region on Etsy. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to change the region on Etsy, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to Etsy and sign into your account. Once you've signed in, come up to the top and click onto your profile icon where it says your account to bring up this menu. And then what you want to do is come down and click onto account settings. Once you've done this, it's going to take you to a screen like this. And from here, you want to click onto account at the top here, and then just scroll down to location settings. And as you can see, there's an option to change the region here. So you would click onto this box here and change the region to wherever you want to. So for example, if we wanted to change to Spain, I would click on Spain and then click the save settings button underneath. After a second or two, that's going to apply these settings and that's going to go ahead and change the region on Etsy. So that's how to change the region on Etsy. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.